Hey, it's Dustin the Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace this lower rack assembly on your GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The lower dish rack on this GE dishwasher can be replaced if the tines or frame are damaged, corroded, or bent. This genuine replacement part from Parts Doctor includes 4 updated rack rollers pre-installed on the rack, making installation quick and hassle-free. If you need to purchase a replacement lower rack assembly for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. No tools are needed for this replacement. To replace the lower rack in your GE dishwasher, first open the door all the way and pull out the lower rack. Pull the silverware basket straight up to remove it and then set it aside. The lower rack assembly does not include a silverware basket. Lift and remove the old lower rack assembly. If you need a replacement lower dish rack, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones we sell at partsdoctor.com. We've included a link in the description below. Be sure to use the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. To install your new lower rack assembly, be sure that the angled corners are facing front and set the rack carriers on the channels of the door. Replace the silverware basket on the right side of the rack, slide the rack in, and close the door. Your new lower rack assembly is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's repair. As always, I'm Dustin the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.